ಓಂ 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 ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತ್ಯೈ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಸಮಸ್ತ ಜನ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣೇ ನಿರತಂ ಕರುಣಾಮಯಂ ನಮಾಮಿ ಚಿನ್ಮಯಂ ದೇವಂ ಸದ್ಗುರುಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ವರಂ ಸದ್ಗುರುಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ್ವರಂ ಯೋ ಅಂತಃ ಪ್ರವಿಶ್ಯ ಮಮ ವಾಚಮಿಮಾಂ ಪ್ರಸುಪ್ತಾಂ ಸಂಜೀವಯತ್ಯಖಿಲಶಕ್ತಿಧರಸ್ವಧಾಮ್ನಾ अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्. प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. ईश्वरः परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणम् कृष्णं नारायणं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे व्रजप्रियं कृष्णं द्वैपायनं वन्दे कृष्णं वन्दे प्रधासुतम् सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः. रमापतिपदां भोज परिस्फुरति मानसं सेनापतिमहं वन्दे विश्वक्सेनं निरन्तरम्. प्रह्लाद नारद पराशर पुण्डरीक व्यासम्बरीश शुक शौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् पुण्यानिमान् परमभागवतान् स्मरामि. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतः चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः. तेजो वारिमृदाय यथा विनिमयः यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि. धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमः निर्मत्सराणां सताम् वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्. श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात्. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलम् शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतम् पिबत भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. यस्वानुभावमखिलश्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितितीर्षतान्तमोऽन्धम् संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यम् तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनाम्. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. नमः पङ्कजनाभाय नमः पङ्कजमालिने नमः पङ्कजनेत्राय नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रये. यस्य भगवताख्या सर्वेषां भक्तिदानृणां सेव करुणा सिन्धुः बोधितात्मा गुरुर्मम. तस्मै श्री वासुदेवाय धरणीसुररूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय तुभ्यं श्रीगुरवे नमः। शङ्खचक्रगदा पद्मधारिणे गुरुरूपिणे गुरुवायुपुरेशाय वासुदेवाय ते नमः। संसारसागरे मग्नं दीनं मां करुणानिधे कर्मग्राहगृहीताङ्गं मामुद्धर भवार्णवात्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे। मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यः दासोऽहं तव केशव। शुकरूपप्रबोधज्ञ सर्वशास्त्रविशारद एतत्कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खं कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapuran session. We are in Canto 3. We have begun the 7th chapter last week, and we have seen Vidura's some brilliant questions, and we have to complete that chapter. We have finished the first 14 mantras. We'll continue from where we have left. Okay. Those who want to volunteer, please raise your hands. It's going to be from verse number 15. Ajamma, we'll start first with you.
We unmute. Okay.
Smoke of the incense is sitting in the throat. Vidura uvacha
विदुर उवाच
sanchhinna samshayo mahyam
सञ्चिन्नः संशयो मह्यम्
तव सूक्तासिना विभो
तव सूक्तासिना विभो
उभयत्रापि भगवन्
उभयत्रापि भगवन्
मनो मे सम्प्रधावति
मनो मे सम्प्रधावति
साध्वे तद्व्याहृतं विद्वत्
साध्ये तद्व्याहृतं विद्वत्
आत्ममायायनं हरेः
आत्ममायायनं हरेः
आभात्य पार्थं निर्मूलम्
आभात्य पार्थं निर्मूलम्
विश्वमूलं न यद्बहिः
विश्वमूलं न यद्बहिः
यश्च मूढतमो लोके
यश्च मूढतमो लोके
यश्च बुद्धेः परं गतः
यश्च बुद्धेः परं गतः
तावुभौ सुखमेधेते
तावुभौ सुखमेधेते
क्लिश्यत्यन्तरितो जनः
क्लिश्यत्यन्तरितो जनः
अर्थाभावं विनिश्चित्य
अर्थाभावं विनिश्चित्य
प्रतीपस्यापि नात्मनः
प्रतीतस्यापि नात्मनः
प्रतीपस्यापि न प्रतीतस्यापि
It is written as tha in my book. That's why I read like that.
Is it? Okay, then you keep it that. You keep that way then.
But is the
Ah.
meaning changing?
I'll have to check Pratita. I'll check it.
Okay.
ताञ्चापि युष्मच्चरण सेवयाहं पराणुदे
ताञ्चापि यस्मश्चरणसेवयाहं पराणुदे
यत्सेवया भगवतः
यत्सेवया भगवतः
कूटस्थस्य मधुद्विषः
कूटस्थस्य मधुद्विषः
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 करेक्ट
कूटस्थस्य मधुद्विषः
रतिरासो भवेत् तीव्रः
रतिरासो भवेत् तीव्रः
पादयोर्व्यसनार्दनः
पादयोर्व्यसनार्दनः
दुरापाह्यल्पतपसः
दुरापाह्यल्पतपसः
सेवा वैकुण्ठवर्त्मसु
सेवा वैकुण्ठवर्त्मसु
यत्रोपगीयते नित्यम्
यत्रोपगीयते नित्यम्
देवदेवो जनार्दनः
देवदेवो जनार्दनः ओके विदुर उवाच सञ्चिन्नः संशयो मह्यं तव सूक्तासिना विभो उभयत्रापि भगवन् मनो मे सम्प्रधावति साध्ये तद्व्याहृतं विद्वत् आत्ममायायनं हरेः अभात्य पार्थं निर्मूलम् विश्वमूलं न यद्बहिः यश्च मूढतमो लोके यश्च बुद्धेः परं गतः तावुभौ सुखमेधेते क्लिश्यत्यन्तरितो जनः अर्थाभावं विनिश्चित्य प्रतीतस्यापि नात्मनः तां चापि यस्मच्चरणसेवयाहं पराणुदे यत्सेवया भगवतः कूटस्थस्य मधुद्विषः रतिरासो भवेत् तीव्रः पादयोर्व्यसनार्दनः दुरापाह्यल्पतपसः सेवा वैकुण्ठवर्त्मसु यत्रोपगीयते नित्यं देवदेवो जनार्दनः.
Thank you, Raja. Very beautiful. Vidura said, my doubts have been eradicated by the sword of your reason exposition, my lord. My mind has now clearly grasped both the points, the Lord's freedom and the Jiva's dependence. You have rightly observed, O sage, that the bondage, etc. of the Jiva is attributable to Sri Hari's own Maya, deluding potency. Such bondage is only apparent without any reality or foundation. For the universe itself has no foundation except the Lord's Maya. He who is the most ignorant and he who has realized God, who is beyond the reach of mind, both these lead a carefree life in this world, while he who stands between the two is full of doubt, lives in misery. Having concluded that the material world, though appearing to exist, is not real, I shall now, by the service of your feet, get rid even of that false appearance, mental illusion. Through the service of these feet can be had the feast of intense devotion to the feet of the immutable Lord, the slayer of the demon Madhu, devotion that puts an end to the agony of birth and death. The service of the Lord's devotees who are living approaches to Lord Vishnu or his divine realm, and in whose company or even sung the praises of Lord Janardana, that is literally, who is invoked by his devotees, who is adored even by gods, cannot be easily secured by men of little talents. Vidura uvacha Sanchinna samshayo mahyam tava suktasina vibho ubhayatrapi bhagavan mano me sampradhavati sadhve tadvyahritam vidvat atma mayayanam harehe आभात्य पार्थं निर्मूलं विश्वमूलं न यद्बहिः यश्च मूढतमो लोके यश्च बुद्धेः परं गतः तावुभौ सुखमेधेते क्लिश्यत्यन्तरितो जनः अर्थाभावं विनिश्चित्य प्रतीपस्यापि नात्मनः ताञ्चापि युष्मच्चरण सेवयाहं परानुदे यत्सेवया भगवतः कूटस्थस्य मधुद्वृषः प्रतिरासो भवेत् तीव्रः पादयोर्व्यसनार्दनः पुरापाल्पतपसः सेवा वैकुण्ठवर्त्मसु यत्रोपगीयते नित्यं देवदेवो जनार्दनः. सृष्ट्वाग्रे महदादीनि
सृष्ट्वाग्रे महदादीनि
सविकाराण्यनुक्रमात्
सविकाराण्यनुक्रमात्
तेभ्यो विराजमुद्धृत्य तमनुप्राविशद्विभुः
तमनुप्राविशद्विभुः यमाहुराद्यं पुरुषं सहस्राङ्घ्र्यूरुपाहुकम्
यत्र विश्वे इमे लोकाः सविकासं समासते यस्मिन् दशविधः प्राणः सेन्द्रियार्थेन्द्रियस्त्रिवृत् त्वयेरितो यतो वर्णाः तद्विभूतिर्वदस्वनः यत्र पुत्रैश्च पौत्रैश्च नतृभिः सह गोत्रजैः प्रजा विचित्राकृतयः
आसन्
प्रजा विचित्राकृतयः आसन्याभिरिदन्ततम् प्रजापतीनां
सपतिः
चक्लृपे कान् प्रजापतीन् सर्गांश्चैवानुसर्गांश्च
मनून्मन्वन्तराधिपान्
एतेषामपि वंशांश्च वंशानुचरितानि च पर्यधश्च ये लोकाः
उपर्यधश्च ये लोकाः
भूमेर्मित्रात्मजासते
भूमेर्मित्रात्मजा सते
तेषां संस्थां प्रमाणञ्च
तेषां संस्थान् प्रमाणं च
भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णय
भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णय
तिर्यङ्मानुषदेवानाम्
तिर्यङ्मानुषदेवानां
सरीसृपपतत्रिणाम्
सरीसृपपतत्रिणां
वदनः सर्गसंव्यूहम्
वदनः सर्गसंव्यूहम्
गार्भस्वेदद्विजोद्भिद गार्भस्वेदद्विजोद्भिदाम्
गार्भस्वेदद्विजोद्भिदाम्
गुणावतारैर्विश्वस्य
गुणावतारैर्विश्वस्य
I think you have an internet issue, Lalita. No, there is an internet issue. First, I thought it was mine, but it is. Lalita ma, I think your internet is lagging.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, your internet is not good. It is lagging.
Okay.
What you do this from 21 to 27 because I'm not hearing.
Okay. दृष्ट्वाग्रे महदादीनि सविकाराण्यनुक्रमात् तेभ्यो विराजमुद्धृत्य तमनुप्राविशद्विभुः यमाहुराद्यं पुरुषं सहस्राङ्घ्रियूर्बाहुकम् यत्र विश्व इमे लोकाः सविकासं समासते यस्मिन् दशविधः प्राणः सेन्द्रियार्थेन्द्रियस्त्रिवृत् स्वयेरितो यतो वर्णाः तद्विभूतिर्वदस्वनः यत्र पुत्रैश्च पौत्रैश्च नप्तृभिः सह गोत्रजैः प्रजाविचित्रा कृतयः आसन्यभिरिदन्ततम् प्रजापतीनां पतिः प्रजापतीनां सपतिः चक्लुपेकान् प्रजापतीन् सर्गांश्चैवानुसर्गांश्च मनून्मन्वन्तराधिपान् एतेषामपि वंशानुचरितानि च उपर्यधश्च ये लोकाः भूमेर्मित्रात्मजा सते तेषां संस्थान् प्रमाणं च भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णय तिर्यङ्मानुषदेवानां सरीसृपपतत्रिणां वदनसर्गसंव्यूहं गार्भस्वेद्विजोदिभिदाम्
Vedadvijodhuda. Okay, thank you very much. Who's continuing? Nikhilaji or Srihariji?
I'll do Varshaji.
Okay, so you will do the next 7 or 8 and then the remaining 7 or 8 for Srihariji.
Okay.
गुणावतारैर्विश्वस्य
गुणावतारैर्विश्वस्य
सर्गस्थित्यप्ययाश्रयम्
सर्गस्थित्यप्ययाश्रयम्
सृजत श्रीनिवासस्य
सृजत श्रीनिवासस्य
व्याचक्ष्वोदारविक्रमम्
व्याचक्ष्वोदारविक्रमम्
वर्णाश्रमविभागांश्च
वर्णाश्रमविभागांश्च
रूपशीलस्वभावतः
रूपशीलस्वभावतः
क्षीणाञ्जन्मकर्मादि
ऋषीणां जन्मकर्मादि
वेदस्य च विकर्षणम्
वेदस्य च विकर्षणम्
यज्ञस्य च वितानानि
यज्ञस्य च वितानानि
योगस्य च पथः प्रभो
योगस्य च पथः प्रभो
नैष्कर्म्यस्य च साङ्ख्यस्य
नैष्कर्म्यस्य च साङ्ख्यस्य
तन्त्रं वा भगवत् स्मृतम्
तन्त्रं वा भगवत् स्मृतम्
पाखण्डपथवैषम्यम्
पाखण्डपथवैषम्यम्
प्रतिलोमनिवेशनम्
प्रतिलोमनिवेशनम्
जीवस्य गतयो याश्च
जीवस्य गतयो याश्च
यावतीर्गुणकर्मजाः
यावतीर्गुणकर्मजाः
धर्मार्थकाममोक्षाणाम्
धर्मार्थकाममोक्षाणाम्
निमित्तान्यविरोधतः
निमित्तान्यविरोधतः
वार्ताया दण्डनीतेश्च
वार्ताया दण्डनीतेश्च
श्रुतस्य च विधिं पृथक्
श्रुतस् श्रुतस् श्रुतस्य च विधिं पृथक्
श्राद्धस्य च विधिं ब्रह्मन्
दिस् इस् रैट्
श्राद्धस्य
ओके
which one?
श्राद्धस्य
Which shrutasya cha in that?
या श्रुत
Shuru, like Shri, Shrutasya cha. And same Shra is down, Shraddhasya. Both are Shra only.
ओके श्रद्धस्य च विधिं श्राद्धस्य
Shraddha.
च विधिं ब्रह्मन्
Again. Brahman. Shraddhasya cha vidhim Brahman.
श्राद्धस्य च विधिं ब्रह्मन्
पितॄणां सर्गमेव च
पितॄणां सर्गमेव च ग्रहन्नक्षत्रताराणां कालावयवसंस्थितिम्
दानस्य तपसो वापि
दानस्य तपसो वापि
यच्चेष्टापूर्तयोः फलम्
यच्चेष्टापूर्तयोः फलम्
प्रवासस्थस्य यो धर्मः
प्रवासस्थस्य यो धर्मः
यश्च पुंस उतापदि
यश्च पुंस उतापदि गुणावतारेर्विश्वस्य सर्गस्थित्यप्ययाश्रयं सृजत श्रीनिवासस्य व्याचक्ष्वोदारविक्रमं वर्णाश्रमविभागांश्च रूपशीलस्वभावतः ऋषीणां जन्मकर्मादि वेदस्य च विकर्षणं यज्ञस्य च वितानानि योगस्य च पथः प्रभो नैष्कर्म्यस्य च साङ्ख्यस्य तत्रं वा भगवत् स्मृतं तन्त्रं वा भगवत् स्मृतं पाखण्डपथवैषम्यं प्रतिलोमनिवेशनं जीवस्य गतयो याश्च यावतीर्गुणकर्मजाः धर्मार्थकाममोक्षाणां निमित्तान्यविरोधतः वार्ताया दण्डनीतेश्च श्रुतस्य च विधिं पृथक् श्राद्धस्य च विधिं ब्रह्मन् पितॄणां सर्गमेव च ग्रहनक्षत्रताराणां कालावयव संस्थितिम् दानस्य तपसो वापि यच्चेष्टापूर्ययोः फलम्
पूर्तयो पूर्तयो पूर्त
sorry दानस्य तपो वापि
तपस्सो
दानस्य तपसो वापि यच्चेष्टापूर्तयोः फलम् प्रवासस्थस्य यो धर्मः यश्च पुंसौ तापदी
Srihariji continue. Yena va bhagavan stushyeet the ending.
येन वा भगवांस्तुष्येत्
Dharmayo nirjanardanaha
धर्मयो निर्जनार्दनः
samprasidati va yesham
सम्प्रसीदति वा येषाम्
etadakhyahi chanagha
एतदाख्याहि चानग
anuvratanam shisyanam
अनुव्रतानां शिष्याणां
putranam च dvijottama
पुत्राणां च द्विजोत्तम
अनापपृष्टमपि ब्रूयुः अनापृष्टमपि ब्रूयुः
अनापृष्टमपि ब्रूयुः
गुरवो दीनवत्सलाः
गुरवो दीनवत्सलाः
तत्त्वानां
तत्त्वानां
कतिधा प्रतिसङ्क्रमः
कतिधा प्रतिसङ्क्रमः
तत्रेमङ्क उपासीरन्
तत्रेमङ्क उपासीरन्
कऊस्विदनुशेरते
कवुस्विदनुशेरते
पुरुषस्य च संस्थानम्
पुरुषस्य च संस्थानं
स्वरूपं वा परस्य च
स्वरूपं वा परस्य च
ज्ञानं च नैगमं यत्तत्
ज्ञानं च नैगमय्यत्तद्
गुरुशिष्यप्रयोजनम्
गुरुशिष्यप्रयोजनम्
निमित्तानि च तस्येह
निमित्तानि च तस्येह
प्रोक्तान्यनघसूरिभिः
प्रोक्तान्यनघसूरिभिः
स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसाम्
स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसाम्
भक्तिर्वैराग्यमेव वा
भक्तिर्वैराग्यमेव वा
एतान् मे पृच्छतः प्रश्नान्
एतान् मे पृच्छतः प्रश्नान्
हरेः कर्म विवित्सया
हरेः कर्म विवित्सया
ब्रूहि मे ज्ञस्य मित्रत्वात्
ब्रूहि मे ज्ञस्य मित्रत्वात्
अजया नष्टचक्षुषः
अजया नष्टचक्षुषः
सर्वे वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च
सर्वे वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च
तपोदानानि चानघ
तपोदानानि चानघ
जीवाभयप्रदानस्य
जीवाभयप्रदानस्य
न कुर्वीरन् कलामपि
न कुर्वीरन् कलामपि
श्रीशुक उवाच
श्रीशुक उवाच
स इत्थमापृष्टपुराणकल्पः
स इत्थमापृष्टपुराणकल्पः
कुरु प्रधानेन मुनिप्रधानः
कुरु प्रधानेन मुनिप्रधानः
प्रवृद्धहर्षो भगवत्कथायाम्
प्रवृद्धहर्षो भगवत्कथायाम्
सञ्चोदितस्तं प्रहसन्निवाह
सञ्चोदितस्त्वं प्रहसन्निवाह
त्वं तं सञ्चोदितस्तं
सञ्चोदितस्तं प्रहसन्निवाह
ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे
ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे
पारमहंस्यां
पारमहंस्यां संहितायां
तृतीयस्कन्धे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
तृतीयस्कन्धे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत् येन वा भगवांस्तुष्येत् धर्मयो निर्जनार्दनः सम्प्रसीदति वा येषाम् एदाख्याहि चानघ अनुव्रतानां शिष्याणां पुत्राणां च द्विजोत्तम अनापृष्टमपि ब्रूयुः गुरवो दीनवत्सलाः तत्त्वानां भगवंस्तेषां कतिधा प्रतिसङ्क्रमः तत्रेमङ्क उपासीरन् कौ स्विदनुशेरते पुरुषस्य च संस्थानं स्वरूपं वा परस्य च ज्ञानं च नैगमय्यत्तद् गुरुशिष्यप्रयोजनं निमित्तानि च तस्येह प्रोक्तान्यनघसूरिभिः स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसां भक्तिर्वैराग्यमेव वा एतान् मे पृच्छतः प्रश्नान् हरेः कर्म विवित्सया ब्रूहि मे ज्ञस्य मित्रत्वात् अजया नष्टचक्षुषः सर्वे वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च तपोदानानि चानघ जीवाभयप्रदानस्य न कुर्वीरं कलामपि श्रीशुक उवाच स इत्थमापृष्टपुराणकल्पः कुरु प्रधानेन मुनिप्रधानः प्रवृद्धहर्षो भगवत्कथायां सञ्चोदितस्तं प्रहसन्निवाह ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्या संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
Can you say that again? Iti Srimad Bhagavata Mahapurane then?
श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां
Okay. So I thought I didn't hear the Anuswara of Paramahamsyam. So I thought you said Paramahamsyam.
I might have missed, yeah.
No. The chanting is good. I like your voice. It's nice to hear.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's very sweet. So now let us see the meaning from verse number 21. Okay. You have just told me that at the dawn of creation, the Almighty Lord brought forth in their order of sequence the Mahat Tattva and other categories along with their evolutes and having evolved the cosmic body out of those categories, eventually entered the same. It is that cosmic being whom the Vedas call the most ancient person, who is endowed with thousands of feet, thighs, and arms, and in whom all these different worlds abide with ample space about them. Nay, it is in that cosmic being, as you declare, that the 10 vital airs, which of each of which again manifests itself in three forms, that is, vigor, willpower, and bodily strength, abide along with the Indriyas and their objects, as well as the deities presiding over them, and from the same being have emanated the four classes of society. Pray, speak to me now about the glorious manifestations, Brahma and others, of that cosmic being from whom were evolved, along with their sons and grandsons, great grandsons and kingsmen, living beings of various forms and shapes who fill this universe. Who are the Prajapatis, lords of created beings, that were evolved by Brahma, the Lord of Prajapatis? Again, what are the main categories of beings that he created, and what are their subdivisions? And in what order did he evolve the 14 Manus, Swayambhuva and others, that preside over one full Manvantara each? 3. Also let me know their lines of descent and narrate the doings of their descendants, and further describe, O Maitreya, son of Mitra, the relative position and dimensions of the spheres that are located above and below the earth, as well as of the terrestrial region, and the detailed process of creation of beasts, human beings, and gods, reptiles, and birds. In short, of all living beings, viviparous and oviparous, those born of sweat, those sprouting from the soil, such as trees and plants. Also, kindly recount at length the glorious exploits connected with the creation, preservation, and dissolution of the universe, of the Lord, who is the abode of Shri, the goddess of beauty and prosperity, and who bodied himself forth as Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. His manifestations with reference to a particular guna, mode of Prakriti. O Lord, further tell me the grouping of society into so many varnas, grades or classes, and ashramas, stages of life, on the basis of outward marks, conduct and temperament, the birth and doings, etc., of the rishis, seers, and the divisions of the Vedas, the extensive details of sacrifices, the path of yoga, the path of renunciation, and the path of knowledge or discrimination between matter and spirit, the Vaishnava cult taught by the Lord, the heterogeneity caused by the dissemination of heretic doctrines, the descent of races through a mother belonging to higher caste than the father, and the nature and variety of destinies reached by men after their death according to their gunas, characteristics, and karma doings. My God, the questions itself are so heavy. In fact, he has asked everything about the universe. Each and everything. To have such question also means there should be some basic knowledge in depth. Then only such kind of questions would come. He's asked descent, that everything has asked, nothing is left. It continues. Also tell me, O holy Brahmana, the means conducive severally to the religious merit, worldly riches, sensuous enjoyment, and final beatitude without prejudice to one another, the methods one by one of agriculture, trade, etc., as well as of administration of justice and study of Vedas, the method of performing Shraddha in honor and for the benefit of the dead, and even so the evolution of Pitrus, and likewise the relative position of the planets, lunar mansions, and other stars amongst the heavenly bodies, as determining the divisions of time. Nothing he has spent. It's not for him. It's for us. The questions are asked because it's always all is in our. We have this Guru Shishya conversation only. The knowledge is imparted. Nothing directly is told. He asked him this question, and for him the answer is this. So whoever he would be, would just be a namesake, but it is for us that the knowledge is coming through. What is the reward of charitable gifts, austere penance, sacrificial acts, and works of public utility, such as digging the wells and tanks, construction of roads and temples, cultivation of gardens, etc.? What are the duties of one living abroad as well as of a man in adverse circumstances? Also tell me, O sinless Maitreya, the means by which Lord Shri Krishna, who is invoked by his devotees, the source of piety, can be propitiated, and what type of men are able to win his pleasure? Teachers who are kind to the meek, O chief of Brahmanas, tell their developed pupils and sons even what they may not have asked. In how many ways, O worshipful sage, do these elements, earth, etc., return to their source, primordial matter? And who wait on him during a pralaya, and who get merged in him while he is in yoga nidra? Wow. See this question. Who wait on him even during pralaya, and who get merged in him when he is in yoga nidra? What is the true nature of Jiva, embodied soul, and the essential character of the Supreme? What is the wisdom taught by the Upanishads, and what again is the use a teacher has for his pupil, and vice versa? Then, what are the means suggested by the wise, O sinless one, for attaining that wisdom? For neither spiritual enlightenment or devotion nor dispassion can be had by itself. Therefore, being friendly, disposed towards me, kindly answer these questions of mine that I have asked, with intent to acquaint myself with the exploits of Sri Hari, ignorant as I am and blinded by Maya. The study of all the Vedas, sacrificial acts, and austere penance and charitable gifts, O Holy One, cannot equal even a fraction of the merit that one acquires by rendering a jiva immune from the fear of birth and death through instruction in the truth about God. Shri Shuka continued, when Vidura, the foremost of the Kurus, asked Maitreya, the chief of the sages, questions bearing on the theme of the Puranas, the latter was immensely delighted on being urged to narrate the stories of the Lord, and smilingly spoke as follows. Thus ends the seventh discourse in the book 3 of great and glorious Bhagavad Purana, otherwise known as the Paramahamsa Samhita. Verse number 21. Did I do it? Yes, I did. सृष्ट्वाग्रे महदादीनि सविकाराण्यनुक्रमात् तेभ्यो विराजमुद्धृत्य तमनुप्राविशद्विभुः यमाहुराद्यं पुरुषं सहस्राङ्घ्र्यूरुबाहुकं यत्र विश्व इमे लोकाः सविकासं समासते यस्मिन् दशविधः प्राणः सेन्द्रियार्थेन्द्रियस्त्रिवृत् त्वयेरितो यतो वर्णाः तद्विभूतिर्वदस्वनः यत्र पुत्रैश्च पौत्रैश्च नप्तृभिः सह गोत्रजैः प्रजाविचित्राकृतयः आसन्याभिरिदं ततं प्रजापतीनां सपतिः चक्लुपेकान् प्रजापतीन् सर्गांश्चैवानुसर्गांश्च मनून्मन्वन्तराधिपान् एतेषामपि वंशांश्च वंशानुचरितानि च उपर्यधश्च ये लोकाः भूमेर्मित्रात्मजासते तेषां संस्थां प्रमाणं च भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णय तीर्यं मानुषदेवानां सरीसृपपतत्रिणां वदनः सर्गसंव्यूहं द्विजोद्भिदां गुणावतारैर्विश्वस्य सर्गस्थित्यप्ययाश्रयं सृजत श्रीनिवासस्य व्याचक्ष्वोदारविक्रमम् वर्णाश्रमविभागांश्च रूपशीलस्वभावतः ऋषीणां जन्म कर्मादि वेदस्य च विकर्षणं यज्ञस्य च वितानानि योगस्य च पथः प्रभो नैष्कर्म्यस्य च साङ्ख्यस्य तन्त्रं वा भगवत् स्मृतं पाखण्डपथ वैषम्यं प्रतिलोमनिवेशनं जीवस्य गतयो ह्याश्च यावतीर्गुणकर्मजाः धर्मार्थकाममोक्षाणां निमित्तान्यविरोधतः वार्ताया दण्डनीतेश्च श्रुतस्य च विधिं पृथक् श्राद्धस्य च विधिं ब्रह्मन् पितॄणां सर्गमेव च ग्रहनक्षत्रताराणां कालावयवसंस्थितिं दानस्य तपसो वापि यच्चेष्टापूर्तयोः फलं प्रवासस्थस्य यो धर्मः यश्च पुंस उतापदि येन वा भगवान् स्तुष्येत् धर्मयो निर्जनार्दनः सम्प्रसीदति वा येषाम् एतदाख्याहि चानघ अनुव्रतानां शिष्याणां पुत्राणां च द्विजोत्तम अनापृष्टमपि ब्रूयुः गुरवो दीनवत्सलाः तत्त्वानां भगवंस्तेषां प्रतिधा प्रतिसङ्क्रमः तत्रेमङ्क उपासीरं कौ स्विदनुशेरते पुरुषस्य च संस्थानं स्वरूपं वा परस्य च ज्ञानं च नैगमं यत्तत् गुरुशिष्यप्रयोजनं निमित्तानि च तस्येह प्रोक्तान्यनघसूरिभिः स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसां भक्तिर्वैराग्यमेव वा एतान् मे पृच्छतः प्रश्नान् हरेः कर्म विवित्सया ब्रूहि मेऽज्ञस्य मित्रत्वात् अजया नष्टचक्षुषः सर्वे वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च तपोदानानि चानघ जीवाभयप्रदानस्य न कुर्वीरन् कलामपि श्रीशुक उवाच स इत्थमापृष्टपुराणकल्पः कुरु प्रधानेन मुनिप्रधानः प्रवृद्धहर्षो भगवत्कथायां सञ्चोदितस्तं प्रहसन्निवाह ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां तृतीयस्कन्धे सप्तमोऽध्यायः हरि ओम तत्सत् With His immense kripa, we have completed this chapter. Next chapter is going to be exciting, and the chapter after that also we will be seeing Brahmastuti. So those will be really interesting shlokas. But we'll start next week so that we get a continuation of these answers. Brilliant questions. We can write it down somewhere so that whenever we get an answer against that question, we can write that answer, because later on searching and self-study becomes very tough. When we read it, we mark the answer and we finish the work thereon. So next week again we meet. I'm so sorry that I didn't put as a reminder and many of you missed it. So unless I tell there is no class, the class is on. Yes, that's me. So probably the week when we'll travel to Guruvayur, I'm not sure. Okay. So I'm trying to keep Friday unaffected. All other classes on Sundays probably will get affected. Wednesdays will get affected. The rest will continue. This Bhagavatam will continue. Now as we enter its depth, that rasa keeps increasing. And as the cantos would complete, by the time we reach the 10th and the 11th canto, it's the most juiciest. So all this, to enjoy that, we should have this base. To enjoy Vedanta, to enjoy any Upanishad, all the answers that are coming now, this will be the base. So let's enjoy Bhagavatam. We'll continue next time. Let's pause for today.
Just I have just 1 minute. There is a 31 sloka. In my book, it is written as Pashanda. Pashanda, Pakhanda, both are same.
Yes, meaning is same.
Same.
Pakhanda and Pashanda is same. Only thing now I have to find out the Pratipa and Pratita. That I'll find out and I'll see. So
Okay.
that is in verse number 18 that I have marked and kept that I have to find.
Okay. Thank you.
Vashaji, verse 22, second pad also, can you please read out once?
22 second. Yamahuradhyam purusham sahasranghryurubahukam yatra vishva ime lokaha savikasam samasate. So sahasrangri. Huh? Angri is feet.
Feet.
Angri and then uru. So Angri is ikara and uru's ukara. E and U will join to form Y, which is our Yan Sandhi. So it became Sangryuru. So Angri plus Uru and plus Bahu. So 1,000 feet, 1,000 thighs. Uru can be thigh also. Yeah, Uru is thigh and Bahu is hand. So
Right.
feet, thousands of feet and hands and thighs. This is what it means. Now, this vision, if we develop, no, it's fantastic. A tree, a river, everything is a part of Lord. This is hair of Lord. This is this of Lord. What we say, nature, it's a Narayana in the cosmic body. It's his path. That shift, if it happens, it's really beautiful. Anything and everything we see out in the world is Bhagwan. There is no separation. That this is not in satsang and this is in satsang. There is a continuous satsang happening if that vision changes. Amazing it is. So this, whenever that cosmic description comes, we should be more alert because it changes our drishti to see the world. The world is not the same. It's not just the matter and the things and something else than the Lord. That itself is the Lord. That vision is fantastic to keep on. I heard the kids have come. I didn't cancel the class and they were excited to come because one of the kids is celebrating the birthday today. So now they tell me in advance, my birthday is coming so that the cake cutting can happen. And then they have the preferences. So somebody's birthday last time, so they said, I like white forest. Okay. So now if somebody expresses, then in the next birthday, that child's birthday, the previous one expressed cake will come. So today the last expressed the white forest, eggless has come. So that is the excitement. I don't know whether you hear the noise. There's a lot of commotion outside this room now. And a lot of board games have come that I have prevented, have not opened all, few only, because next month the final, I said I will see how y'all perform and then I will do. Not everybody should come first rank. Let me see now if y'all can study and get it. I just said that, not meaning anything, only fraction to study. And the place is getting ready. Now the grill has come up. Today the painting work is also complete. Now some electric work is there because all rooms are not having lights over there. So that they will do. So I told them the jail is getting ready. I'm going to lock you all in the room over there. Keep you all to study. And if you want to come out, you have to reproduce what you have studied. Tell me. And then I will leave you all from there. So they were laughing. I said, you all laugh now. My fun side you all have seen. Now when the study comes by the exam, the other side of me you all will see soon. So now they will. So we were just having some fun this morning. Let's end today's session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you all
Hari Om.
next time.
Thank you.
Birthday
Thank you,
wishes
Varsha.
to the boy, birthday boy, Varshaji.
Thank you. I will convey. Priyan is his name.
Yes, Priyan, it's so lovely to hear the stories of the kids.
Amazing. Even the smallest ones are also eager. They come like that with their wet hair in the dark. What excitement. And finally I had to say, don't come now before this. I'm not going to open the door. Because now they have a competition that who comes first. And parents till then, for 8 o'clock for the school bus till 7:30, parents had a struggle to wake them up. Then make them brush teeth and make them take bath. It was like a task, they said. Now it is reversed. Now these kids wake up the parents, and parents said, do you need to go? Now you can. No, they have to come. Exactly. Now it is reversed. Seen as reverse. Parents are happy. I have to say, now you don't come before. So that day they came at 5 a.m. I had not even opened the lock of the gate. So these guys who came early, they were teasing the other boys. We came at 5. The other guy said, tomorrow we will come at 4:30 and show.
My gosh.
Then I had to step in. I said, okay, I accept my defeat. I surrender. Nobody's coming at 4:30. Nobody's coming at 5 o'clock. Nobody's entering before 5:45 over here. Go, go. Like that I had to say. So first time I have accepted defeat like this. That is the enthusiasm of the kids.
Great. It's enthusiasm is
And
a
the
different
parents have such trust on me. So then I get this, my God, they have to come in the dark like that. And it's Kerala, it's a village side. Anything can be on the road. Anything can be on the road. And it's not all places are tarred. There is some other way kinds of and rough path also. It's a village. So now I said, okay, okay, your enthusiasm is more than mine, fine, but now please subdue it. Last evening they come and ask, do you have class? The moment if I'm going to say no, they are coming with their study books in the evening they want me to be their tuition teacher. I said, that cannot happen. Your parents have put you all to your tuition teachers, go there. Afterwards, you have doubts, you come to me. I'll clear any subject doubt except Malayalam, everything. So they bring all the textbook, the whole school bag they carry over here after their tuition. Then because it becomes dark, then I've got a job to like a postman service, go and drop them in their houses. Then I don't allow them to go again. So I can't say no. And so now they are so eager to hear that this. So now today is the class. Then I said, we'll cut the cake in the morning. No, we'll do it in the evening. Up till what time your class? 7:30. Then we'll do cake cutting at 7:30. That is the enthusiasm. Oh my God. It's like,
Mhm. Yes.
yes.
Blessed children.
Thanks to all of you.
Okay.
Have
Thank you,
blessed them with
Varsha.
so much bounty, so much bounties. The whole thing is getting ready. Where are the 12 maths and what is getting ready? The magnitude only changed. The whole thing, the whole gimmicks beyond imagination. I just said 12 maths and 1 Jankara. It's like that. Pouring.
Love. Love.
It's beautiful to look at.
It's really very beautiful. It's unimaginable. It's beyond something which I had not planned, imagined would happen. It's not I'm doing. It is simply like that. It's happening, and the way the help has poured in, everything is changing. The whole thing is changed. It's become like a classroom setup. It's like,
God is there, no, He's taking care.
Exactly, it's just palpable. It's like very experiential. It's unimaginable. I just get horripilation seeing you want it like this. My God, now you give the strength and you only see what is to be done. I don't know beyond this. Like that, each step I'll say and something is. It just brings tears to my eyes. Say, my God, what is happening? What is happening? I don't know. Like that, because I don't know what's happening. Things are happening the way. Where are the 12 yoga mats and what beyond that has happened? Thank you to each one of you. I think the daily Gita would be it.
Okay.
Hari
Hari Om Varshaji, thank you.
Thank you, Shri.
Sorry, we're keeping you and the kids from the cake now.
Important thing, yes.
Important thing indeed.
Definitely, they will be waiting for
Hari
it.
Om.
Hari Om Varshaji.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.